My favorite thing about working at the Boys and Girls Club is the impact we make on our communities. I'm Jason, Vice President Controller at the Boys and Girls Club of America. As a not-for-profit, having strong controls and oversight is essential, really due to the nature of our industry. We are obviously constrained. There's always a scarcity of resources on the financial front. So getting the greatest impact for those funds is really critical. And the bedrock for that is the financial discipline to ensure we spend our money wisely. Previously with our T&E expenses, it was a cumbersome process, inefficient, and really drove delays in our financial reporting, which is really critical to our business and understanding where we are as a not-for-profit at any point in time. Having tools like RAMP that allow us to be laser focused on those expenditures, prepare analytics, and really drive our business decisions with a firm grasp of where the dollars are going is really critical to success for me or any controller. Anytime you're sharing financial and spending data with leaders across our organization, that's powerful. It can drive behavior changes. It drives accountability. It is certainly a butterfly impact. It saves time for our staff at the Boys and Girls Club of America, which allows them to have a deeper impact on our local clubs that ultimately drive such great programming for the 3 million youth we serve a year.